To use a template in Gmail, just go to the More Options button next to the trash can. It opens up, find Templates, it'll pop out. It'll populate with the templates that you've used before. I'm going to use my template tutorial template. And it populates with the template that you've done before. I use brackets for things that I'm going to replace, so I'm going to put Tom here. I'm going to just, the topic will be our new schedule. And I'll see you Friday at 11:30 a.m. If you want to make your own template, that's pretty easy too. Compose, put in the information that you want. For example, I'm going to have just greeting. This will just be for a sample. This template is just to have a greeting already in your email. So you go to More Options, Templates, and Save Draft as Template. You can either overwrite one of your previous templates or save as a new template. I'm going to make a new template and call it New Template. But there's a problem. Check it out. When I compose, I already have my signature here at the bottom. So if I open up this template with More Options, Templates, New Template, it's going to put that whole email into this template. So when you're making a template, make sure you delete your signature. So if I want to have a new template, this is how I would do it. I would delete my signature, have the text that I want in the template, go down here, Templates, Save Draft as Template, and I'm going to overwrite that previous one that I had, New Template, right there. And it's going to give me a warning to make sure I want to do that. I do. I'm going to save. Now, next time I open the template with More Options, Templates, New Template, there we go. It just inserts the text right at that cursor. One more thing to note, Compose, More Options, Templates. If my cursor is down here and I insert the template, remember it's inserting the text that you saved last time. So if I insert the new template here, it's going to be right after my signature. You don't want that. Make sure that when you use a template, your cursor is in the beginning of the body of your email. There you go. That's how to use templates in Gmail. Good job.